Magali Dromard.
My name's Magali. It's a French name, but I'm not French. I'm English. I was born in 1994. I have 2 brothers and a sister. My eldest brother's a doctor. His name's Tristan, and he was born in 1985. My sister is also older than me. Her name's Cecilia, and she's a teacher, and she was born in 1988. And my little brother is Matt, and he was born in 1996. He's still a student. My father is French. His name's André. He's from Marseille, and he was born in, I think, 1958. My mother is English. Her name's Ella. She's from Manchester, and she was born in, 1961. My grandmother, who is my mother's mother, is called Edith. Isn't that a lovely name? She was born in Bristol in, I'm not sure, but I think about 1935.
Who is Jackson Pollock?
Terry Horton, a 60-year-old lady from Los Angeles, went shopping in San Bernardino, a town in California, USA. She was in a charity shop when she saw a colourful modern painting. She bought it for $5. An art teacher saw the painting and said it was by the American artist Jackson Pollock.
Who is Jackson Pollock?
Said Terry. She had no idea that he was a very famous modern painter. Many art experts came to her house to see the painting. Some said that it wasn't a Pollock, but one expert, Peter Paul Biro, found Pollock's fingerprint on the back. Biro said,
"This is a real Pollock painting."
A rich businessman was happy to pay $9 million for it, but Terry said,
No, I want $50 million.
In 2007, a Canadian TV company made a film about Terry and the painting. It is now for sale in an art gallery in Toronto. Price, $50 million.
Angie's Weekend.
Yesterday was Sunday, so I got up late, about 11:30. I had a big breakfast, orange juice, toast, eggs and coffee. Then I went shopping, just to the supermarket, and I bought some tea, some milk and the Sunday papers. Then I just stayed at home for the rest of the day. In the morning, I cleaned my flat, and in the afternoon, I did some work on my computer for a bit. Then in the evening, I watched a film on TV. I went to bed early, about 11. I was tired. I had a late night on Saturday.